Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is create a protected directory on our desktop. I've already created one. I'll just show you here. It's called protected. That's our directory there. Right, so let's create a scalar variable called protected. Directory and assign it a name like we just have done. Okay, so that's our protected directory, the one on our desktop. I'm going to drop that down a little bit. I'm going to create a path to that. Let's do this C. Okay, that's the path to it. That's the path to my file. It won't be the path to your directory, so you're going to have to find your unique path. So all we do now is chdir, which is change directory. Okay, and then we should be in that directory on our desktop. Right, we're going to create a subroutine here called delete directory. And we're going to tell the user what to do. Enter directory to delete. So the user can enter the directory that they want to delete on the desktop into here. So now we're going to create my scalar entry, assign it to prompt, and that will get the user information. Now we're going to use a conditional, and scalar entry is equal to scalar protected directory up here. So if what the user enters into the prompt there is equal to our protected directory, we're going to do something. And we're going to say can't delete directory. Okay, or else say directory not protected. And then say deleting. And then we're going to give it a little bit of a pause. 1 second, and then we're going to use rmdir, remove directory, and the scalar entry. Okay, so now all we have to do is call this program. Delete directory, and save it, and let's run it. So Raku, it's going to be new.raku, enter. Okay, enter directory to delete, so I'm going to enter our protected directory. Hit enter. Can't delete directory. Let's have a look. And it's still there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.